In this video, I'll be demonstrating Powtoon, which allows you to create animated videos and presentations. This tool can be used for work, education, and personal use. There are free and paid plans for this tool. So let's get started. First, I'll select the Start Now button in the middle of the page. You can create an account from scratch or sign in with Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn. I will sign in with Google. Usually the first time you'll have to enter your username and password. We are now taken to the Powtoon homepage where we will start our first creation. At the top are links to pricing and tutorials. Before you start your creation, they have some helpful tips on the right-hand side of the page. So let's create our first Powtoon. We will click on the blue Create button in the middle of the page. We will now select a template or pick the Start from Scratch template. I would recommend the first time out to start with a template. The templates can be broken down into two areas, for students and teachers. By picking an already created template, we will simply edit the text and graphics to create a Powtoon in no time at all. You can preview the Powtoon before you begin to edit it. After looking at the different templates, I think we should create a school syllabus. So we'll click the Edit button to open that particular Powtoon. Currently, we are waiting for it to load. Now, remember, as long as you have a complete syllabus in your course, you've got it attached as a PDF file so students can print out a complete syllabus, then you're free to choose how you want to embed or display your syllabus. Some instructors have embedded their syllabus in small chunks, and some have embedded it as an infographic. In this Powtoon video, we can click on the various slides on the left-hand side and change the text. So, in each one of these slides, you can change the text in the bubble. So on the first one, hello, awesome students. So I think I'm going to have mine say, hello, math 050 students. Now, with the text, you can apply effects to your words. You can change the color, the font, and size. So while you have this highlighted, this will allow you to do effects, color, size, or you can do the size here. Your effects can be over here as well. And here's where you can change the font type. So let's pretend we've already gone through and we've changed our text. Now, over here on some of these slides, it says Project 1 and Requirements. And this one says Project 2 and Requirements. With your class, whatever is important, whatever you might want to highlight or demonstrate to your students, you can change any of this. So Project 2 could become, your research paper. But of course, you can make this box a little longer if you needed it to. So you're allowed to go through and change your text. And as you scroll through, it's a 10-slide video, looking forward to an awesome year with you all. Of course, you can change that to be semester. So you're free to go through and change any of the text. Also down here, you can always add slides. Add more slides if you need a longer Powtoon. Up here, it's set for movie, but you could do this as a slideshow. So I'm going to go back to the first slide. So now we've changed the text. You can also swap out the bubble. And by hitting swap, it brings up different bubbles over here, or you can click on objects, I believe. Yes, and there's other kinds of bubbles that you can select that you might want to use. If you click on the teacher, again, you can swap him out because, of course, I'm a female teacher, not a male instructor, so I'm going to choose this character, and I'm going to have her waving hello. And as you can see, based on whoever you pick, you can have them thinking, they can be happy, they can be sad, they can be sitting and typing at a computer. Obviously, that bubble is way too big, so I'm going to swap it back out for something smaller. Maybe this type of bubble. And of course, you can make the bubble as big or as small as you want. You can drag it around by clicking on her. If you want her to wave the opposite direction, you can hit flip. You can change your animation settings. There's quite a few things you can do with Powtoon. And right now we're in simple mode, but if you picked a Powtoon, like you want to do something from scratch, you've got various layouts to choose from. You've got backgrounds. Here's your text. They want me to switch to customize mode. You've got different kinds of text. The library has your characters, your emojis, props. There's some medical, and there's even more things that you can choose from as you scroll down. You've got objects. There's graphs, sound, where you can record your own voice or add a track if you like. You can upload some sounds, some soundtracks. There's also more images that you can go through. Now, let's say we've gone through, we've changed all of the text, we've changed our characters, we've got it how we want it. We want to give it a new title. So I'm just going to call it Math 050 Syllabus. And I'm going to click the Save button. And so it is now saved. So if I go back to my main screen, you'll see that it is here. It's, saved and ready to go under your My Powtoons. So we want to export it. We want to share it with our students. And so with the free version, you can upload it to a few sites. I recommend uploading it to YouTube. Or you can only download it as a PDF if you're in the free version. And then you can share it on social media or email it out. So you would click on YouTube. We're going to upload this to YouTube. Yes, I've got my YouTube account. We want it to be public. We'll hit next. You can add a description if you want to. Then you can select the category, which I'm selecting education. It's still public. Click next. Only with the free version can you do the standard 480, and you would click upload. Now, it gives you and says, congratulations, your video has been successfully published. You'll be notified by email when it's ready. Now, I had tried this earlier, and it took a few minutes for it to publish. So I'm going to go over here to my YouTube channel, and this is one that I've already uploaded from earlier today. And I'm going to go to my share button, and I'm going to click on embed, and then you will go in and you'll copy the embed code from YouTube. Now, if we go to our Blackboard course, and I've got clicked on the syllabus, I need to add my syllabus. So as I said before, I will go in and create an item, and I will call this Math 050 syllabus. And first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the HTML button. You'll want to paste. Ooh, obviously that did not copy. I had something from earlier. And we'll go to the HTML button and we will paste our code and we'll hit update. And you can see our little box there. Like I said, you can embed however you like, as long as you browse your computer, and you find your syllabus and you attach it. So let's hit submit, see what it looks like. And there's your Powtoon for your students to play and enjoy. So, for recap, with Powtoon, you can make animated videos. You can use one of their templates, or you can start from scratch. After you've created your Powtoon, you'll upload it to YouTube, save it, upload to YouTube, copy the embed code, and then you'll put it into your Blackboard course. And you can use this for welcome videos. I use the syllabus template because I think this would be a really good way to point out some key things in the syllabus. You could do these as lesson introduction videos. The sky's the limit on what you can create. And not only is this for instructors, but students can do this as well. They can create assignments using Powtoon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this to be a great tool for you and your students. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact OTC Online at online@otc.edu. Thank you.